Good evening and welcome to SSB's News Hour, and our news for tonight begins with Republican decrees. Republican decree number 120 for the year 2021 for the reconstitution and appointment of members of the Council of States 2021 AD, title and commencement. This decree shall be cited as the Republican Decree number 120 for the year 2021 for the reconstitution and appointment of members of the Council of States 2021 AD and shall come into force on the date of its signature by the President of the Republic. The decree, it reads, in exercise of the powers conferred upon me under Article 106A2A of the Transitional Constitution of the Republic of South Sudan 2011 as amended, read together with Articles 1921, 114.4, 115.13 and 118.14 and the Annexure D number 12 at page 87 of the Revitalized Agreement on the Resolution of the Conflict in the Republic of South Sudan 2018, I, Salva Kiir Mayardit, President of the Republic of South Sudan, do hereby issue this Republican Decree for the reconstitution and appointment of members of the Council of States with effect from 3rd July 2021 as hereunder. A. Incumbent Government of National Unity, IT GONU, members to the Council of States. Stephen Gaga Lukudu, Central Equatoria State, SPLM. Cornelio Kenyi Befo, Central Equatoria State, SPLM. Johnson Ladu Surur, Central Equatoria State, SPLM. Jaden Jada Solomon, Central Equatoria State, SPLM. Victoria Nasir Agustino, Central Equatoria State, SPLM. Anicia Achien Carlo, Eastern Equatoria State, SPLM. Marco Locale, Eastern Equatoria State, SPLM. Michael Losike Lokerui, Eastern Equatoria State, SPLM. Dennis Orel Ofilang Itorong, Eastern Equatoria State, SPLM. Daniel Denglual, Jongole State, SPLM. Sarah Nyakoth Kwach, Jongole State, SPLM. Monica Achol Benjamin, Jongole State, SPLM. Chol Rambang Loth, Jongole State, SPLM. Joshua Dao Diu, Jongole State, SPLM. Michael Mario Dor, Jongole State, SPLM. Majak Machar Dolbai, Let's State, SPLM. James Magok Ater, Let's State, SPLM. Isaac Kon Anok, Let's State, SPLM. Arthur Akwen Chol, Northern Bahar Ghazal State, SPLM. Dr. Aldo Ajo Deng, Northern Bahar Ghazal State, SPLM. Atian Atian Quart, Northern Bahar Ghazal State, SPLM. Donato Dimo Orach, Northern Bahar Ghazal State, SPLM. Chan Malwai Chan, Warab State, SPLM. Anei Ngong Anei, Warab State, SPLM. Faustino Atem Gwaldit, Warab State, SPLM. Nyandeng Carbino Kwanyin, Warab State, SPLM. Luis Vito Akwar, Western Bahar Ghazal State, SPLM. Dalcon Ricardo Ugal, Western Bahar Ghazal State, SPLM. Celestina Joseph Mahmoud, Western Bahar Ghazal State, SPLM. Awad Juma Aman Marjan, Western Bahar Ghazal State, SPLM. Golpol Mundeng, Unity State, SPLM. Sultan Kong Kongbol, Unity State, SPLM. Riau Gatlier Gai, Unity State, SPLM. Joseph Bolchan, Upper Nile State, SPLM. Alice Odokir, Upper Nile State, SPLM. Harun Lual Run, Upper Nile State, SPLM. Joseph Abandeng, Upper Nile State, SPLM. Joseph Nyok Abiel, Upper Nile State, SPLM. John Maswa Mandaza, Western Equatoria State, SPLM. Isaac Sumu Keliopa, Western Equatoria State, SPLM. Quinta Benedict Zungubia, Western Equatoria State, SPLM. Angelo Beda Bangbura, Western Equatoria State, SPLM. Tabita Chol Manyel, Abie Administrative Area, SPLM. Kennedy Gayin Ngare, Pibor Administrative Area, SPLM. Hamis Ismail Konyi, Pibor Administrative Area, SPLM. Mary Ayen Majok, Rueng Administrative Area, SPLM. Dr. Vigil Modi Guma, Central Equatorial State, D Forum. Ida Luca German, Pibora Administrative Area, D Forum. Professor Daniel Malok Achut, Western Bahra Ghazal State, USAP. Mary Isaac Daniel, Lex State, USAP. James Anderia Anyak, Western Bahra Ghazal, Labor. Mary Apardeng, Upper Nile State, DC. Ajuet Rehan Mom Ajuet, Warab State, USSP. James Walgarang, Northern Bahra Ghazal, Sano. Genevia Eliaba Janab, Western Equatoria State, UDSF.